Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing leaves cutout effect in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. So let's begin. What you have to do is open up a blank slide, go to pictures and insert an image for the background filled with leaves. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and expand it till it covers the entire slide. Duplicate it and place it onto it about 5 to 6 times. What we're going to do is insert a text box in which you're going to write your text, main header, and that describes the slide. Increase its size, change its font, whatever you want to do, just do it. Send the picture to the front and insert this freeform shape. Trace out one of the leaves that overlaps the text or the header or the title. So this is a really careful step to be done because it can just ruin out your entire template. What you have to do is just while holding your mouse, you're just gonna trace out that leaf till the last point meets the first point. It will convert into a shape. Remove its outline, select the image, then this shape, and then go to merge option and then intersect it. So this is how it looks right now. What we're going to do is send another of the image to the back to the front. We're going to trace out another leaf by using a freeform shape in PowerPoint. Then we're going to trace it out very carefully that only its borders are to be traced and that the line is straight and trace out, and also the ending part merge with the starting point, and we're gonna intersect them both, the image and the freeform shape. Similarly, we're gonna just cut off of the text because I want to make a more realistic overlapping effect. We're gonna put half of the text in other text box, and we're gonna select both of them and move one of them to the right, left side, and the other one to the left side as well. Now go to selection pane because I can get like select the one of the leaf which is behind the text, so you can easily use your selection pane to send that select that leaf and then send it to the front. Next, we're going to send another image to the front. We're going to use freeform shape to trace out another of the leaf which overlaps with our title. So this is a really easy step to make this realistic image in PowerPoint, which is a really interesting way to make your nature opening slides, and it gives a really nice and professional vibe to your templates. Similarly, you're gonna select the image, then the freeform shape, and go to merge option, and then click on intersect. So this is what I made. We're gonna send another image to the front, and we're gonna trace out another leaf. What you have to be careful about is that you go really slowly, and after zooming in, what you have to do is move really slowly while tracing this leaf and then merging the ending point with the starting point to make a shape. So this looks cool. Now we're going to select a text box, go to Format Object, Text Options, Fill, and choose two gradient stops and change their color to white and give one of them a transparency and change their direction. Close the format background. And this is what we have right now. We're gonna give it a shadow of the fifth number, and our template is complete. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also download this template for free from the link in the description below.